So, Mr. Fett.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I marked number 19 wrong on the multiple choice questions worksheet that was generated by my lady standard barbering course management guide. Right now, and you had a problem with that, and you have justifiable reasons because two other answers were, according to you and according to what you read in your book, your interpretation that the two other answers were correct. All right, so here, the questions on the board. If bleach is used to disinfect equipment, it is critical to use blank first to thoroughly clean the equipment and remove all debris. Now, Mr. Hall, you said earlier that you have to use the process of elimination when doing multiple choice tests or quizzes, right? Or questions. All right. Now, so we can clearly go ahead and eliminate two of these. Am I correct? Which two will we eliminate? Okay. Alcohol, eliminated. Hydrogen peroxide, eliminated. So that leaves us with what? Soap and detergent to choose from. Mr. Fett, read out loud what it says in your book about this.
The term cleaning is defined as mechanical process, scrubbing, using soap and water, or detergent and water to remove all visible dirt, debris, and many disease-causing germs.
Okay, so the book said the same. This book is written by the same people that wrote this multiple choice questions, right? My lady, and they have on the answer sheet that the answer is detergent, but the book says you can clean using soap and water, or detergent and water. So Mr. Phelps said it's not wrong because of what that book says, right? So then we already understand when doing multiple choice questions, you have to use the process of elimination, which we did. We knocked out two of the answers. Now we have two answers that could be close, two choices that could be close to the answer. So we knocked out two of the choices. We got two choices that could be close to the answer. Now we're confused because what we just read in the book, it sounds like either one of these could be the right answer to this question. Now, what are we taught in school? To pick, when you do multiple choice, it says pick the most accurate answer, right? The answer that can be the most accurate, right? Now, when you're doing that, when you're doing multiple choice questions, after you do your process of elimination, you go back to the question, you read it again, and you look for a key word so you can make your choice here. All right. However, in order for us to look at the keywords here, pick a keyword out of this question to make our multiple choice between these two that sound like they're both the correct answer, we have to know what each one of these mean, right? Now, Mr. Fett, what is the difference between soap and detergent? We looked it up a while ago. We had to Google it, right, Mr. Fett? What's the difference between soap and detergent?
Soap is natural and detergent is a chemical compound.
He says soap is made out of most natural things like animal fat acids and biodegradable things, right? And detergent is made out of more chemical things. Now, it was something else that was key that the definition we read said about the difference between these two, and what were they? What was it?
Detergent is stronger than soap.
He said detergent is stronger than soap. Now, by us knowing that that's the key difference between the two of these and on performance base, right? We know that they're made out of something different, but they both do the same thing. So the key difference between the two is what? One has stronger than the other one, right? So now that we know the difference between the two, the key difference between the two, we go back up to our question and we look for the key word that's going to determine which one of these two is the right answer. Now, so let's go back up here and look. Read that. And y'all read and y'all find the key word that's going to determine which one of these is the right answer.
Thoroughly.
Say that again, Ms. Beth.
Thoroughly clean.
Thoroughly. Why is thoroughly the key word here? Because if you're gonna clean something and you got a choice as to what you're gonna use to clean it, right? And you want to clean it thoroughly, you have to pick what can clean it more thoroughly than the other, right? So which one of these will be cleaning something more thoroughly than the other? Detergent. Why? Because what we read on Google, it said that detergent is stronger than soap. So boom, detergent is your answer. That's why your answer was wrong, Mr. Fifth. Now does it make sense? All right.
Yes.
All right, guys.
They both right.